In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do promoted listings on eBay step by step. Whether you're aiming to boost your sales or increase the visibility of your products, promoted listings can be an effective tool to help you achieve your goals. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by logging into your eBay seller account. Make sure you have your account details handy to streamline this process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub. This central control panel is where you manage all aspects of your eBay selling activities, and it's where you'll begin your advertising journey. In the Seller Hub, select the Marketing tab, and from the drop-down menu, choose Advertising Dashboard. This dashboard is your launchpad for creating and monitoring your promotional campaigns. Now, you'll see an option to create campaign. Go ahead and click on this to begin setting up your first promoted listing. You'll be presented with a couple of campaign types to choose from. Here, you can decide between a standard campaign, which is recommended for most sellers and offers a straightforward setup, or an advanced campaign, which provides options for keyword targeting if you're looking for more specificity in how your ads reach potential buyers. For most sellers, the standard option will suffice and provide excellent results. Next, you'll need to select the listings you wish to promote. Choose carefully, considering which products would benefit most from increased visibility. After selecting your listings, it's time to set your ad rate. eBay provides suggested rates based on their experience and algorithms, but it's flexible. You have the autonomy to adjust this rate according to your budget and strategy, striking a balance between cost and potential exposure. After you've configured your ad rate, the next step is to name your campaign. This may seem trivial, but it's crucial for easy tracking and management later on. Choose a name that's descriptive enough to understand at a glance, perhaps including the product type or seasonality aspect you're targeting. With these steps completed, you're almost ready to go live with your campaign. Take a moment to review all the details, ensuring your product listings, campaign type, and ad rates are set correctly. When you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click on Launch Campaign. And there you have it. Your promoted listing campaign is live and will start working to attract more views and hopefully lead to increased sales. Remember, regularly check back on your advertising dashboard to monitor the performance of your campaigns. You can make adjustments as needed to optimize results over time. I hope this has been helpful, and you're now equipped to use eBay's promoted listings to their full potential. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!